How to loop through all but the last item of a list. I would like to loop through a list checking each item against the one following it. Is there a way I can loop through all but the last item using for X and Y? I would prefer to do it without using indexes if I can. Note: Free a Space answered my actual question, which is why I accepted the answer, but Silent Ghost answered the question I should have asked. Apologies for the confusion.
If Y is a generator, then the above will not work.
The easiest way to compare the sequence item with the following.
If you want to get all the elements in the sequence pairwise, use this approach. The pairwise function is from the examples in the itertools module. If you need to compare the last value to some special value, chain that value to the end.
If you meant comparing nth item with n plus 1th item in the list, you could also do with. Note there is no hard coding going on there. This should be okay unless you feel otherwise.
Yeah.